3 strokes.
Okay, we just left Chick-fil-A, forgot to vlog it. There's Nat in there. There's Katie. Let's go. Let's go to Avery's house.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hey guys, we're on the boat. I think he's about to jump in. This is Natalie's boyfriend. Say hi.
What's going on?
Kiki. Natalie. Is that in fast mode? Bhakti, Avery, Katie, and Landon. Hey. Okay, let's go! Holy moly, it just shook. Did you touch it?
No, it's like 15 foot deep.
Avery jumped in. Kiki wants goggles, but he has no goggles because I forgot his Spider-Man goggles at home.
What's this YouTube channel called?
Party in the back. Hey.
It's like a sea otter. Do you want to play Roblox?
I'm not gonna push him. Yeah, you can push him. He can swim. Yes, he can swim.
oh my god.
Dude,
It's so freaking cold at the
I'll
bottom.
give you $1 if you touch the bottom.
I don't think I can.
No, you can't. Your ears would pop and everything. It's so deep.
Are you a boy?
Ooh,
Can you do a backflip, boyfriend? Do a backflip. Stop.
it's like a whale. Gosh.
Too funny. Hi. I think Avery's over there adjusting her wedgie. We're
No, she's just using the bathroom.
He's feeding the fish.
we're not swimming.
Is your phone waterproof?
I almost hit you right in the head.
Oh. Here's all the kids swimming around.
And the parents are watching.
Oh, you're so cute, Nat. You're so cute.
You got me on that one. Almost
Here we are, chilling. Gonna play a nice game of Uno.
What do you think it was?
Or dose.
What it was. About to wrestle a gator.
So funny.
You would have gotten the show. That would have been YouTube famous, me wrestling a gator.
Okay, whatever you say, brother. What the freak? Avery's all the way over there.
It's a mermaid.
Hi. You look like a fish. Bro.
Oh, now I got you.
Okay. Oh my god! He's trying to hide, but like I found him. He's gonna scare y'all. Kiki is going to save Riley. Bhakti looks snatched today. Say hi. Oh, so cute. They're actually pretty far away. Little gossipers over here. Little gossipers. It's so silent.
There might be a turtle on the bottom.
Bhakti's helping, and I'm just sitting here. Oh!
Your guys' weight is just helping.
Playing Uno. Everybody say hi.
Wait, we can stack, right?
Yeah. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Oh. Okay. We came inside for a break. Everybody's peeing. Me and Katie. I don't have to pee, but
I'm just really hot.
we're really hot too. We're playing Uno out there, and hopefully they're not looking at our cards right now, but yeah. Okay, guys, we're breaking into the shed. Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh my god!
I got it.
This is your clickbait, Lindsay.
I know, right?
Someone's in there. What is Kiki gonna do?
A person who thinks all the time.
A thinker.
What'd she say?
It's over there,
The
guys.
students are the inventors. The drawer is open on the other
I still want to get it open.
Why the
Aw.
are you trying to open
Are you okay? You feel defeated?
No?
I know.
You feel defeated you didn't get to use your axe?
Yes.
Alright, y'all. We're waiting for something. We're floating away.
Push this out.
Okay, bye. Landon, your phone! I told you!
He just dropped his phone in the water.
Oh, I just went like 3 foot deep.
Ah! The bottom's falling off. Not my bottoms, the boat bottom. It's jiggly and I'm scared. Okay, anyways, I don't know what's about to happen, but it's really hot out here. Me and Bhakti were taking a break outside.
Oh, that's a big old pump.
There's Avery with the pump. He dropped his phone in the water. He got to put it in some rice.
He dropped it in the water before. What the freak are you doing?
He dropped his phone in the water.
He did? Yes. I literally told him he could drop it in. He's like,
So don't tangle.
There
Is
they
that
go.
okay?
Wave, guys. I said wave.
you can. Oh my god.
Okay. They fell.
Hey, watch out! Watch out!
Here comes the sun.
Maybe.
Here comes the
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.